How to remove all Instagram likes at once. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to remove all Instagram likes at once. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Instagram and log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner. Then navigate to three-line icon at top right. Select your activity from the menu and tap on interactions and then choose likes option. To remove likes, tap on each post and unlike it manually, or you can use the select button at top right to select multiple posts at once. Then tap on unlike button at bottom of the screen and now tap on unlike. In this way you can easily remove the Instagram likes all at once. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.